Hello, welcome to this week's Meet and Make. I'm Louise and I'm going to show you how to make a concertina book with fruit, trees, flowers, berries all over it, inspired by the work of Abel Rodriguez. Enjoy. So I've got my book made and I've cut a few little doors in. I'm now going to decorate it. So I'm going to draw some trees on one side, some plants, and on the other side I'm going to do the fruits, berries and leaf shapes of that tree. So I'm going to just show you an oak tree here, and I'm using some coloured pencils. Now oak trees have got a wide, and flatten that, a wide trunk, brown, and there's bark on the trunk, which is a kind of rough texture. And then the oak tree has long, wide branches. I'm going to draw what comes from an oak tree. So in this case, it's acorns. So the acorn, you might have seen these, they're like sort of round, ovally shaped, and they're quite shiny and hard, like a nut. But they've got like a hat on. And that's where it grew onto the tree. And this is a bit knobbly. Okay, and now the leaf shape of an oak tree. It's got curvy, wiggly lines, the leaf on an oak tree. Quite different from other leaves. So you can make your 4 different pieces with different trees, different plants and different fruits. Remember to cut a little door or window so that you can travel through to the other side. put some glue already on the card. So I'm looking at each open book piece, 2 sides, as a page.